professor, and to all my dear friends. Myself, Agustin Peron, student of Geology. Today I would like to give short speech on the occasion of National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India every year on 28th February. The celebration also includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science speech, and many more activities. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February every year to remember the discovery of Raman's effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication asked the Government of India to designate February 28 as National Science Day. The event is now celebrated all over India in schools, colleges, universities, and other academic, medical, and research institutes. On the occasion of the first National Science Day in the year 1987. Thank you.